Nigga, it's gonna be a murder. Play with that money. Nigga, it's gonna
Kick him out. Yeah. What? He won't wake up.
I found this kid.
This guy over here.
Don't wake up, buddy.
Oh, stop.
Well,
What do we do?
You probably need to contact management.
Who even are you, bro?
let's just hope we get back soon.
Yeah.
Should we just drag him out?
I mean, if you want to.
Alright. Come on.
Oh.
This is not how we act.
How old are you, buddy? Sir, how old are you? What's some child?
Well, good luck. I don't know who they are. Contact management. Get them kicked out.
Nobody here at management.
How long have you been in there for?
Oh, look, you got us.
Wow. Oh, he's pissed.
Get him.
Someone must have gave him some drugs or something. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, we'll look after him. He told us he like lived.
Seconds.
murder.